Understanding wind gusts, a breeze through English. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, wind gust. It's a term you might hear in weather forecasts or read in books. Understanding these two simple words can enrich your English vocabulary, especially if you're interested in nature or meteorology. So, let's breeze through the meaning and usage of wind gust. Wind is a word you might already be familiar with. It refers to the natural movement of air, especially when it's noticeable outdoors. Gust, on the other hand, might be new to some of you. A gust is a sudden, brief increase in the strength of the wind. It's not a constant wind, it comes and goes quickly. When we combine these words to form wind gust, we're talking about a short burst of strong wind. It's like the wind suddenly gets a boost of energy for a brief moment and then returns to its normal state. Let's see how wind gust is used in sentences. 1. The weather report mentioned strong wind gusts coming our way this afternoon. 2. I was walking calmly when a sudden wind gust made me lose my hat. 3. Wind gusts can be quite challenging for pilots during takeoff and landing. These examples show how wind gust can be used in different contexts, from everyday conversations to specific scenarios like aviation. Imagine you're holding a flag on a breezy day. The flag flutters gently most of the time, but every now and then, it whips around violently. That sudden, brief whipping of the flag is caused by a wind gust. It's this intermittent, powerful force that makes wind gusts noticeable and sometimes impactful. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. For wind gust, synonyms include squall, often used for more intense gusts; blast, a more informal term; flurry, a lighter, less intense gust. Related terms that are good to know: breeze, a gentle, light wind; gale, a very strong wind; draft, a current of air in an enclosed space. Thank you for watching our exploration of wind gust. This phrase is not just a meteorological term, it's a part of the rich tapestry of the English language. Whether you're discussing the weather or describing a scene in a story, wind gust can be a vivid and precise term to use. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be as fluent as the ever-changing wind. Stay tuned for more English language insights.